ಏನ್ರಿ ಇದು?
You know, many of them ask me, why do I spend so much on bikes, accessories, and rides? I would want them to watch this AOG ride. They'll definitely understand why do we spend so much and what is the happiness that it gives. If you also have been asked these questions, then you better show this video to them. What exactly does a biking brotherhood means? Hey, hi, hello, namaskara, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hog and Hop with AK. So today is the Independence Day, the 75th Independence Day for India, and I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. So we all bikers have gathered here near Prakriti TVS Jalhalli Cross for a quick breakfast Independence Day ride to Maidala Lake, which is around 45-50 kilometers from this current location. So here we'll be giving some forms that has to be filled. Here we'll be filling our personal information, the bikes informations and all. So I guess this is where I meet all my fellow riders here, and here we have the pre-ride session that's going on, explaining some rules and regulations that has to be followed on the road.
And you will be going in the single lane. So there are some of the hand signals where you have to follow. So if I show this, it is single lane. You have to go one behind other, and you have to leave some distance. So this is single lane. So it is two lane.
Okay, so here we start the Independence Day ride. It is TVS AOG ride on August 15th. Okay, तो आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं मैदाला लेक. It is near तुमकुर. So it is somewhere around 60 kilometers जहाँ से हमने स्टार्ट किया है. उससे पहले हम लोग एक ब्रेकफास्ट पॉइंट को रुकेंगे. वहाँ पे ब्रेकफास्ट खाने के बाद हम लोग मैदाला लेक जाएंगे. विल डू सम फोटोशूट्स एंड आपको आज मैं दिखाऊंगा कि AOG ब्रेकफास्ट राइड पे क्या होता है, क्या क्या नहीं होता है. Damn, so much of traffic on Sunday morning at almost at 9 o'clock. So these kind of rides, like breakfast rides, will actually show what the actual biking brotherhood means. And it's all about how TVS is trying to build a biking brotherhood amongst all the Apache owners. So these kind of breakfast rides happens once a month. It'll be the agenda will be very simple. You just meet up at TVS showroom and then go to a place and have breakfast, visit a nearby place, come back by lunchtime. Here we kind of get to know fellow riders. This is where we start the biking brotherhood as a concept. So today's spot is Namaste Bengaluru, and I guess we are having our breakfasts here. I see there are already so many cars. There's a nice property here, so we have a good lawn and all. It's Independence Day special, so we have the tri-colored balloons. And look at the crowd. Bhai Sahab, it's like way too much.
Breakfast token.
Okay, so what do we have for the breakfast? We have idli vada. Looks very crispy though. And we have chow chow bath and sambar and chutney. We have masala dosa coming up. So use sanitizer. TVS ka sanitizer hai. Okay, so we just had our breakfast and we have started again. And then we have entered into Tumkur district. So now we are at the foothills of Maidala Kere. So that is the monolithic hill that you can see there. वहाँ पे एक lake भी है. So apparently we have stopped here because due to COVID this is all kind of closed now. So we have to check out another way out. The whole Maidala lake has been closed and the cops are running around and telling us not to enter this property. So the whole reason behind this, I was just talking to a localite and he was telling there were a couple of robberies last week. So from then on everything in and around here has been closed due to COVID as well. So we are finding a small place for us to sit and chit chat for an hour or so, and then we'll start to Bangalore from here. Alright, that's nice. You have a good village feel here. It's a walk path, but again, you are riding a RR. You can never expect a ride to finish without an adventure, especially when Prince is around. We are exploring another off-road route. Let's see. सही है, सही है, सही है. भाई साहब, भयंकर. भाई साहब, क्या दिख रहा है ये? गजब गजब. Whoa! Damn, son. ಏನ್ರಿದು? Yeah. This is what happens when you come with AOG. Classic. See, we wanted a lake, we got a lake. What else do we need? Great location, guys, great location.
ಸ್ವರೂಪ್ ಅಂತ, ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಗಿರಿನಗರ. ನಮ್ದು ನೇಟಿವ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಮೊದಲನೇ ರೈಡ್.
ಕೇಸರಿ ಸರ್, ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್. Our most young and energetic member of the group, most active. Please introduce yourself.
Hello friends, I am Kesari. I am with this group since last 1 year, and I find this group very nice. I look forward to more rides.
So now we are completely done with the event, and also we had some activities. We had crazy introductions of all the newcomers, and we are dispersing right now from here. Until next ride, stay safe, ride safe. Happy Independence Day to one and all. Bye bye, take care.